today we have the Simply Kids DIY helmet. Make your own helmet. Are you excited?
I want to make eggs.
Some examples. She wants to make eggs.
So these are the different colors that they
So you have
have.
to make eggs in your brain.
Teal, green, red, pink, black, and they come with different stickers. Ooh. We got the Ocean World ones. You see, there's Ocean World, Safari, Freestyle, Girls in Wonderland, and Outer Space. All right. I think the pink one tends to sell out very frequently. So we wanted the pink, but we opted for the teal because Cece also likes ocean life. Cece. Oh, careful opening this, honey. Okay. So what is this? This is the DIY kit.
Shows you which, again, got the bless you.
Bless you, honey.
The various sticker packages there with the
Bless
mark
you,
next to the
honey.
ocean life. Whoa, what is that?
Oh,
See?
baby shark.
Looks like a Papa Shark.
Yeah, Papa shark. Ooh, there's lots of stickers in here included. Wow, let's show them. Look at all this. Octopus. Okay, so yeah, Cece, you can design your helmet. You want to design your helmet? Put the stickers on it. Cece, on the front or back?
On the side.
Or on the side? You want on the side?
Right here.
Yeah, on the front. In the front?
You
You
right
want the
there.
names in the front?
They have a QR code you can scan to send in pictures of your child's designs.
Yeah. Papa, take out the C from that one. This is gonna be fun, huh? Cece? E. C-E. C-E, right? C-E. C-E. I wonder if they're restickable. One C-E first, and then the next C, and then the next E. Can you put it down? Sorry.
It's all crooked.
No, it's fine. Yeah. Very cute. Look at your creation. Good job, Cease. So beautiful. We could put one right here. Let's put the little turtle. Let's put the little turtle there, and then we'll try it on. All right. Here we go. We're going to test it out on the scooter and on her balance bike outside. Say, stay tuned.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you soon. Everything feels good? Do you like it, Cease? Good. You like your helmet. Nice. Yeah.
Is it Cece's helmet?
Yeah.
That's what it says. It's Cece.
It's Cece.
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 It's Daddy.
Yeah.